Once upon a time, in a serene mountain monastery nestled deep within the Himalayas, there lived a curious and enthusiastic young novice monk named Tenzin. Eager to expand his wisdom and explore the teachings of Buddhism, he approached his master, Venerable Nirodha, with a burning question. "Master," Tenzin asked with wide-eyed curiosity, "how can we find lasting happiness and peace in a world that is constantly changing?" Venerable Nirodha smiled, recognizing the deep yearning for knowledge in Tenzin's eyes. He began to recount a tale that had been passed down through generations, captivating Tenzin's attention from the very first word. Long ago, in a distant land, there bloomed a magnificent lotus in a calm pond, began Venerable Nirodha. This lotus was the epitome of beauty and grace, bringing joy to all who beheld it. Yet, despite its ethereal charm, the lotus was not aware of its own impermanence. Intrigued by the lotus's ignorance, the murmuring river nearby decided to enlighten the lotus about the nature of impermanence. The river approached the lotus gently and spoke, "Dear lotus, your beauty is extraordinary, but it is fleeting. The seasons will change, your petals will wither, and you will fade away. Embrace this truth and find tranquility amidst the impermanence." Tenzin's eyes widened with anticipation, eager to learn the lessons that unfolded within this mystical tale. He imagined the scene vividly, picturing the delicate lotus floating gracefully and the murmuring river flowing steadily. As the story went on, Tenzin discovered that the lotus, initially resistant, eventually acknowledged the river's wisdom. Embracing its transient existence, the lotus found true contentment, radiating a serene presence that touched everyone's hearts. "But what does this story teach us, Master?" Tenzin asked, his voice filled with curiosity and admiration. Venerable Nirodha smiled, his eyes conveying the profound and timeless wisdom of Buddhism. "Tenzin, just like the lotus, we must learn to cherish the beauty of each moment without clinging desperately to its fleeting nature. The concept of impermanence allows us to let go of attachment, find peace amidst change, and appreciate the present fully. By embracing this truth, we unlock the key to lasting happiness." As Tenzin absorbed the meaning behind the story, he felt a sense of awe and inspiration flooding his heart. He realized that just like the lotus and the murmuring river, he too had the power to embrace impermanence and find true inner peace. And so, Tenzin continued his journey within the embrace of Buddhism, carrying the teachings of impermanence in his heart. With each step, he pursued wisdom, compassion, and enlightenment, treasuring every moment and sharing the invaluable lessons of impermanence with all who sought solace in the ever-changing world. As the story concluded, viewers would be left with a profound understanding of impermanence and the powerful impact it can have on their lives. Through the engaging narrative and relatable characters, the video would keep viewers enthralled, eager to explore more Buddhist stories and delve deeper into the teachings of Buddhism.